Good morning, everyone. So, yesterday we discussed about some basic introduction on web. So, we discussed what is web and in web what are the different types of components available. So, web is not about developing website. Web comprises of lots of things so that we will learn how to build different concepts like blog, website, application, wikis, all these things are the part of web. So first we will learn how we can build a web application. Once you are good with web application, all others are simple. So the major part here is web application. We are not saying website. Why? Because website and web application wikis, blogs, there's all different. Yesterday I explained how they works, so now today onwards we need to start practically working. And yesterday I explained the architecture front end, back end, how a web application work. So web application back end data centers, application center will be their APIs will be there. In the front end, the presentations are designed by using HTML, CSS, and also so we here you are going to learn about how to deal with the complete environment. So today what we are going to learn is what are software we need to set up. Remember, in this entire course, lots of concept will come initially. What you need first, we will see that later. We keep on adding new things, right? In future, we are when we need something tools, we add in them. Now we have only set up those things we are start the working on web development. How to set up your computer to start working with the web development process. So we will see that concept. So set up environment of web development. We set up environment of web development. This is initially environment, not complete environment. Later you will add so many things. First, your computer first your computer has OS must be Windows 10, not even 7, 8 or higher than that. Your Windows should be 8, 10, 11, anything. But minimum Windows is 8, not even 7. So first point, your your OS must be Windows 8 or higher than that, or Mac and Linux. Linux. Second point is that download and install Node.js on your PC. Download and install Node.js on your PC. I show you Node.js official website. This is a official website where Node.js is. I give you link where you download and set up. Now here you can see this. Node.js is a free open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that let developer create server, web app, command line tools and scripts and etc. Now once your Node.js is installed, then open your command prompt and check test the Node.js. So just write node -v. Not any single letter can be different. There is a version gives version 20.10.0. Now Node.js is coming with a npm. npm is nothing but node package module, node package manager. We can also check that npm minus v -v. So here is npm version node package manager. If your command prompt gave that your node package is installed and it is perfectly working. Now interviewer asks the question, what is package manager? What is package manager? So it is a software tool used by developer to install, update and uninstall any library required for projects. If it provides simple command and attributes to install and update. If you have anything add on your library, if any library can install, then npm install that package name, they can install on your library. This work is called package manager. So It is a soft software tool used by developer to install, update, and uninstall any library library required for projects. It it provides simple commands and attributes to install and update. There are various types of packaging markets. Like there are various package managers such as npm, yarn, bravo, grunt, NuGet, RubyGEMS, Composer, etc. Now, once your this Node.js are installed, download the Visual Studio Editor. Visual Studio is nothing but it's provide a IDE. IDE means integrated development environment where we can write a program, run a program, edit a program. If you are not installed, we are write the program, but we have used different types of tools. You can write the program on Notepad also, but you can only write on Notepad. If you have run the program, you have copied the program and go to online compiler, then you can run the compiler. But VS Code is gives all the things in one environment. So so third point is download and install VS Code editor. VS Code editor. VS Code editor. I gave you link. You can go through and download from there. What is VS Code? Editor provides an I an IDE integrated development enva- enva- environment. It's provides it provides end-to-end solution for developer. Developer can build in the editor, debug, test, and deploy from editors. It provides end-to-end solution solution for developer developers. Developer can build, debug, test, and deploy from editors. Editors. One ask one question is asked from a student that why we use VS Code? Because it is simple to install and very simple to run there, run on VS Code. There are various there are various editors like editors like Webstrom, Sublime. There are various editors in Webstrom, Sublime, Note++, Visual Studio Code. I write them. You can check them. If you comfortable any of them, then you can use them. Not I can I'm not saying that you can only use VS Studio Code. You are compatible with Sublime, you can use Sublime. Notepad, Notepad plus plus, plus plus plus, Visual Studio Codes, etc. etc. Now we can do one thing. You 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 can open the Visual Studio Code. You can open the Visual Studio Code and go to extension part. Go to extension part. Now we have some prerequisites. First, we have installed the live server by Retweet Day. This is a this is a there is a uninstall. I am already installed that. If you are not installed, there is an install button there. You can install here and I write them here. Open VS Code on your PC. Go to extension Extension means plugins. You can add those things. They can ease your task. First, we are install live server by retweet day. Second, we have installed the VS Code icons. This is the official icons by VS Code icons team. And the third one is IntelliSense for CSS class name names in HTML. ZIGNT. IntelliSense for CSS class name in HTML is nothing but it has, if you are write the HTML part, he provides you how to write the code. We have stated IntelliSense IntelliSense here this, and the second one is VS Code icons. VS Code icon. This is the official team's VS Code icons from VS Code. Now, what is live server 2? We can see on MS Paint. I can draw a diagram where you can see how to use a live server and why we need to live server. Here we have one repository. Here we have got repository. This is also called sandbox golden. After the in this repository we have data how to how to build a website and what use in website. After that, we have development team. After that, we have a development team. We have development. We can create on this app, and then we have quality insurance team, just like testing team. App is now ready, and we have quality check team. It's how it's work perfectly or not. If it is perfectly, then go to the product production. Go to the production. This is a production. After the production, if anything not find well in quality, the quality team back to the app in the development. Back to the development. Back to the development. And then developer solve the problem and then recheck the quality. After the production, our life is our our app is going to now ready for go live. This is the flow diagram of how to go live works. So basically, in interview questions, ask if you why we need a live server. Why we need live server? So an answer is it is a required to set up environment for web developments. It's provide it provides environment configuration for development, qualities and production. Basically, development means development means how to build the app, and second one is the quality. In this, we can check the test the app, and production is after the production app is going go live. Live server is a local server install your PC. So what is live server? It's is required to set up environment for web development. Web developments. It provides environment configuration for development, quality and production. Configuration for development, development, quality and production. Production. Live server is local server installed on your PC. Now you can go to the Visual Studio Code and and go to the setting and search emit. There is a emit. There is a show expanded abbreviation button should be tick. It's so possible here you it's possible emit abbreviation as suggest not applicable to style sheet or way if it's so application is set up to never. Now build a web application. Now our PC is set up for coding. I will write the program of HTML. So build build a web application. One question asked, what is website? What is website? Now, website is a virtual dictionary on web server. Website comprises of resources which are served to client as a response to the request. Like website means nothing but addresses. Web site like website is virtual directory on web server. Website Website comprises of resources comprise resources which are served to client as response to the pro- project to the request. Sorry, it's request. I show you on a diagram how work the website. There is a one user. We have user called user. Then he search something. Now website is doing this is a web server. This is a web server where all such things are present. Like there is a nothing but a address of components. Like we have D drive and we have called project file, and in project file we have images, we have documents, we have video, we have videos. This is nothing but a physical path. This is a physical path. Website. Addresses. When you search the things, one URL for the project, one URL is created. After development, you have create a virtual dictionary, virtual directory there called URL like www.project.com. We have not now URL, so we have install a local server called live server. website comes here, and then our physical path goes to the virtual here. Physical path goes to the virtual directory, and then virtual directory to user. Not so directly to the our physical part, because if you in website we show the our physical part, but in web application we are not showing the physical path. This is a diagram of websites, how websites work. So websites comprises of resources that will not allow complex interaction. Complex interaction just for simple web. Now, now, now you can open the Visual Studio Code and select one folder. Select one folder from your browser. I can make the travel app. Now go to the terminal and open the new terminal and run the command npm init as y. Y is nothing but we say to all the thing to us initially. Now press the enter. It's generate package.json which contains metadata. Here you can see your travel time, a version, and so on, so many things. If you are install like bootstrap in future, they show that here in package.json which version you are used, and so on. And one more file you add, readme.md. This is a help for developer. In this we will write which how to run the project, how to install the environments, and so many things. This is the friend of developer, and we can create two folders. First one src, and the second one is the public. Not here, we select here and then public. Public folder, here public folder is used for static resources like images, document, HTML page, videos, PDF documents, Word document, PPTs, etc. And src folder is used for dynamic resources like .j, .js, .ts, .css, .scss, etc. We have folder structure like this. You can create this and say there's a images in that. So you can save videos, videos, then documents, here images, videos, then document, and in SRC we have scripts, then we have CSS, those like things. Package is metadata information about project and those things. Now, thank you for today. We will discuss tomorrow what is web page and how to use the user interface and what is dynamic page, static page. We can see that on, and we can start practically to starting from tomorrow on HTML. Thank you for today. Thank you.